Hello there, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how to see your friend's birthday in Snapchat. So if you want to wish a happy birthday to your friend, you can go in Snapchat and check out their birthday. Open your Snapchat, go to the chat, and then press on a person, go to their profile, and there you can see her birthday is on 18th March. If you press it, you can see the other birthdays as well. As you can see, a lot of people have their birthdays being shown. If your friends have disabled their birthday, then it will not be shown and only their zodiac sign will be shown. If not, their birthday will be shown easily. Let me give you another example. As you can see, the birthday is shown. So this is how to see the birthday in Snapchat. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.